Once upon a time, I had a gentle life in the vast expanse of Earth's atmosphere. My name is Natomi, a nitrogen atom. In our chemical species, we form strong bonds with each other. Each couple is called N2. We are very important to life. My family and I form about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, making us the most abundant chemical species in air. I mostly lived in the atmosphere with my family and peers, drifting through the skies for millions of years, enjoying the freedom of the open air. Let me tell you about some of my adventures and various forms I get into throughout my long life. A few million years ago, I met an old family member, another nitrogen atom named Nate. We were thrilled to see each other and decided to bond together, forming a molecule of nitrogen gas, N2. We floated together, sharing stories of our journeys and the places we had been. Our union didn't last forever though, as we were soon captured by a group of nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the soil. The bacteria transformed us each into ammonia, NH3. I realized later that this was just another step in my endless cycle. I was taken up by the roots of a nearby plant, where I became part of the plant's structure. We occur in all organisms, primarily in amino acids, and thus proteins, in the nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, and in the energy transfer molecule adenosine triphosphate. As the plant grows, I get consumed by a grazing animal. I travel through the animal's body, becoming part of its tissues and helping it grow strong. When the animal excretes waste or eventually dies, I find myself back in the soil. I break down from other elements and tissues with the help of archaea, bacteria, and fungi, then into the soil again in a new form, and into plants again, and on it goes, till I eventually return to the atmosphere, where I can unite with my family. A few thousand years later, I found Nate, and in great joy, we reunited, but our reunion was broken abruptly. Before we could say goodbye, a bolt of lightning separated us into new molecules of ammonia and nitrate. We then dropped and re-entered soil and rainwater, and off it went, the same cycle, from plants to animals to soil to microorganisms. Then again from plants to animals to soil to microorganisms, then back into the waters and to the atmosphere. Don't get me wrong, it's not that I fear adventures or only hang out with family. I enjoy hanging out with friends too. I may not support life as oxygen does, but I'm life itself to the cells and tissues of living organisms when I hang out with carbon and phosphorus. The very same atom, alternate between being organic and inorganic. I feed the earth, I prevent it from burning, but there is a warning. I can also poison if my cycles have been disrupted. Can you help me stop that?